How often do you sit down to get some work done only to check one notification? Then it's Microsoft Teams, then YouTube, and all of a sudden 30 minutes have disappeared. Well, Windows 11 actually has a built-in feature designed to help you stop doing exactly that. And in this video, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how it works, how to set it up, how to customize it, and most importantly, how you can use it to actually get more work done. And you don't need to install anything. Let's get started. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe, and share. At the bottom in your taskbar, click on the magnifying glass here and go to search at the top like this and do a search for clock. And when you search for clock, you need to open up the clock app like this. And when it opens up, you will see the clock app open up like this. And the basic idea is very, very simple. You choose how long you want to focus for. So if it's 20 minutes, you choose 20 minutes. If it's half an hour, it's half an hour. If you want to have a break in between, you're going to have one break in 30 minutes. But if you want to skip your breaks, you can skip your breaks here. And that's the period of time Windows will give you as a dedicated period of time to concentrate on your task. And during this time, Windows will turn off any notifications and app alerts during each sessions. And for longer sessions, Windows will add a short break so you can recharge. But according to this at the moment, it skips your break. So once you are happy for the next 30 minutes, you can start focus session here. And what it will do whilst this focus session is happening, any notification you normally get on Teams, on YouTube, or whatever app you're using will be disabled, and on Microsoft Teams you will be put on Do Not Disturb. So that's a fantastic way to really focus on any task you are doing. So I can go into Word, start my Word document, do what I need to do for the next 30 minutes. If I want to switch back to the clock to see how much time I've got left, I can do that. And if I click on here, keep on top, whichever app you are in, so if I'm in Microsoft Word here, it will keep the clock running on the top right hand corner here, just to give you an idea how long you have got left of that focus session. If you accidentally click on the X icon here to close the focus session app and you're thinking, oh, how do I get access to the focus session app? What you simply do, bottom right hand corner in the taskbar, click on the date and time here. You can see the bell icon is currently on snooze, so no notifications will be allowed because I'm currently on Do Not Disturb. But if I click on the clock and date and time here, if I go to focusing here, I can either end session here because I'm currently focusing, or what I can do is in the search icon here, reopen the clock app like this. So go back into the clock app to see how much longer I've got left, which is 28 minutes, which is brilliant. If I finish the work quicker than 28 minutes, all I simply do is click on this pause focus session option there. So that session has been paused. But on the right side, you can create your own daily goals. So today, daily goal 1 hour, that's my goal. In terms of that daily goal, how much have I done? And it shows you this nice donut chart, I would say, showing you how much you've done in terms of that focus. But you can also edit your daily goal here. So if you want to customize your daily goal and choose a length of time you want to focus on during a day, you can do that here and setting up this like this. So if my daily goal is 3 hours I want to constantly focus on, you can set up focus sessions based on your goals in the day as well. Here on the bottom right hand corner, you can install Spotify so you can listen to music whilst you work. And down here, the good thing about the clock app and the focus sessions is it's linked to Microsoft To Do. So whatever tasks you put on Microsoft To Do, those will be shown here at the bottom. And on the left side here, if I click on the hamburger tool here, it will open up the focus session option, the timer, the alarm, the stopwatch, and the world clock option. If I want to minimize this, I go back, click on the hamburger tool here, but you can still see those options as icons there. So that's how you can set up focus sessions within Microsoft Windows 11, and this works in Windows 11. I've tried this, used this quite a lot of times to try and help my productivity, so it keeps me focused, especially when I get lots of notifications, puts me on do not disturb, and it just doesn't show me any notifications whatsoever. I'm going to show you another way to access the focus session option, and this is actually a quicker way to do this. So on the bottom right hand corner, if you hover and click on the date and time option in the taskbar here in the bottom right hand corner, if you do that, underneath the calendar you will see a timer, but on the right you will see a play button with the word focus on there. You can set your timer here, so if you want a 20-minute focus session, you choose that, and then you click on the play button here, focus, and it will set the focus session for you. You can see in the taskbar the clock icon has opened, and it will open up the clock app for you. You can see the timer is going, so your 20-minute session has started. And if you want to keep this on top whilst you're working, you hover over here, keep on top option here, and it will put the clock on the top right hand corner, so you can watch the time as you are working on whatever task you want to work on. Here you can pause again, but you can click on the 3 dots. So if you don't want to see the time and you want to get rid of it, it will show a plant pot, which will change depending on what time is left of your focus session. And if you want to go back to the full clock app to make more changes or fuller changes, you click on this option here, back to full view, you're back in the clock app. So here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow, choose one task you've been putting off. Don't try to finish it. Don't think about the entire project. Set up a 30-minute focus session. Put your phone away. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Choose one specific objective and work on it until the timer finishes. Then take a 5-minute break. You might be surprised on how much you can actually get done in 30 minutes. And that's Windows 11 focus session. It's a simple feature. When you combine it with fewer distractions, clear objectives, and a proper breaks, it can become a surprisingly powerful productivity tool. If you found this useful, hit the like button, hit hype, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials. Let me know how you get on in the comments, and what is the biggest distraction that stops you getting work done. And if you want more Windows 11 productivity tips, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.